So the Samsung Galaxy S10 has finally got into some real zone. It's been months since we all are talking about the upcoming S series lineup, and today, Evan Blass, one of the most reputable leakers, has got his hands on this guy. The premium S10 variant with a 5.8-inch display, a cornered hole-in display tag, and a trimmed-down bezel experience. When you look at the front camera, it do have a black circle around it to avoid the display light coming into the camera. Samsung will add animations to this Infinity O region, which could be enabled for notification, facial recognition, and a lot more camera-related tasks. Now, you shouldn't be getting any negative thoughts about this particular design, as it's better than a notch and the bezels are reduced to a great extent. Most importantly, the display of this phone is a huge improvement both in terms of quality and area with the same form factor. I know you were expecting a total bezel-less view, but that's not possible at this price tag. To touch those corners, you actually need an expensive flexible OLED display. Also, if you compare this device with a Mate 20 Pro, you'll find no major difference. The only thing that I don't like about the S10 is a lower camera cutout, which means it will occupy some space, and by looking at its position, I'm sure about a thick notification bar. Additionally, there will be a reverse wireless charging feature on this particular variant. We have seen Mate 20 Pro doing that, and now it's time for the Galaxy S10. This definitely means a bigger battery for the S10 lineup, and to some extent, I believe it to be better than Huawei's approach. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S10 series will admire a proper look at the back. It will be more than just a gradient finish of some kind and should be a lustrous solid color. To give some idea, he also posted this picture of a green gem that actually shows some color shifting and a black touch too. According to me, that should be some type of film to give that look, but to be very clear, it looks something very new and I just want to check it out. Lastly, the Galaxy S10 series will surely run on Android Pie One UI out of the box. So yeah, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.